Hey Anthony, hope your day is busy and successful. This is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. And in the screencast, I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring more customers to your business, KC Metro Lawn Pro. Now, the first question is usually along the lines of why I should do this. Well, partner, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Now, sometimes the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I found by giving people an easy attack plan of things that they can do to impact the business for free has resulted in local owners still raising their hands saying, I like you, Sergio, can you please do it for me? So, if by the end of the video you like what you heard, you can see skills that will help a business grow and land more customers, you can shoot me a message or we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it out yourself, that works for me too. Now, before you try to do it yourself, let me show you three things that will set your company above your local competition. The first thing I could go over is your content. Now, in order for your business to be fully optimized with Google, your landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words filled with keywords. Now, going to your website, it says that it's down, sadly, so I'll be going over one of your competitors, Heritage Lawn and Irrigation. Now, in comparison with your competitor, they have about 600 words filled with keyword-rich content. Now, this is still very beatable. This shows how rich keyword content is such a powerhouse of authority for Google. And every month, people are searching for these certain keywords a number of times, which you miss out on not being number one, in turn missing out on potential customers and clients. So when I pull up this tool called Ahrefs and pull up their competitors, you can see what the sites did it with. So you have about 2,000 backlinks, 247 frenemies, and 1,100 organic keywords. Let's go a little bit more into organic keywords real quick. So the golden keyword ratio I like to use is like, not ratio, but phrase is like the niche and then the city, or a city and a niche. You don't see a lot of those in the top of his. But let's see. Alright, let's take this best grass seed for Kansas City. Now you can do like Kansas City best grass seed, or like let's just find. Or let's make an example real quick. So say lawn service Kansas City lawn service. Now these are the easiest local competition keywords that you can definitely use. Instead of going for these bigger keywords, of course you can. Like lawn service near me, that's 20,000 times this is being searched nationally. Now it's a 10 to rank out of a 0 to 100. Like you see, he gets 79 ranked for Grub. I don't know why he's ranking for Grub. But anyways, it's a 79 rank, and he's ranking in the second position, bringing in 359 people to his website using this keyword. Now, being in the first position, you're definitely going to get the most traffic out of the volume than anyone else that has the same keyword ranking the same way. So say manicure lawn. This is 200 people searching this keyword per month. This is 0 to rank, so barely any backlinks to this keyword to your homepage or whatever page you want to link it to. And it's bringing in 81 traffic because he's in the first position ranking for this keyword out of this 200 volume. Right. So now you know a little bit about what goes in a keyword and how it ranks and content. Let's go to the next optimization section, which is the second most important thing I like to talk about. We call this a Google Map Hack on Maps. So I did a search for Kansas City Lawn Care, right? And go over to this map hack real quick. You see every business has a tab of its own, and inside the tab you have a name, an address, and a phone number, aka maps, right? So this name, address, and phone number is how you rank with citations. But another way to rank in Google Map Hack, of course, is getting your ratings up. Ratings do a lot for you. Behind the scenes, let's go over this little tool I like to use to answer your question. And this guy has about 70 citation sources. So you want like double or triple amount that he has, and you'll be set. But these citations, aka NAPs, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, Bing, Yelp, and of course so on and so on, right? So that's know a little bit about what goes on behind the scenes in Google Map Hack. Let's go to the next optimization section. And this is the third thing I'll cover with you, which is another important aspect of Google. We call this the thing that gives your site authority, link juice. So I'm going to go back to the search of Kansas City Lawn Care, right? Go back to organic listings. You got the ads in the top. You got your Google Map Hack. Google Map Hack, there it is. You got Heritage Lawns KC popular in the first position. People, of course, are going to click this because it's the first one that pops up. They don't like scrolling down. But you got Lawn Love, Ryan Lawn, Benjamin Lawn, your Green Palace, that's a blog, I think. Custom Lawn, and Home Advisor, right? You got ads, just more ads in the bottom. But this is where you want to be, and to get there, you need to be out the competition in every aspect. So this link juice simply put it works like this. Site A is supporting site B. Therefore, site A is acting as link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. So like a popularity contest, right? But there is a little more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back to you. So, for example, if you're a long level linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective like a pizza linking back to you because you don't sling pizzas for a living. Now, if you're looking to use this, I'm going to bring up Ahrefs, and you're looking to use this tool, I'll pay about $100 a month, and it's great for checking out any link juice that any sites may have to offer. So, let's go over this guy's backlinks. Now, this is a decent amount of backlinks, link juice. But the cool thing about this tool is you can see where the link is coming from, where it's going to, and what anchor text he's using as a backlink. So heritage lawns and irrigation, you got that one. You got Latha Lawn Care Service. You got a lot more. You got like 2,000 more, right? That's what he had for backlinks. Now you can take every single one and make them your own. And that's probably the easiest way I can explain it to get backlinks without going more in depth on how to do it. But of course, if you have questions about that, ask me. So, of course, we went over 3 things today: content, citations, and link juice. So the first thing we went over, right? You need some content. You need a web page. But inside the web page, the home page, you need at least 1,500 words to fill the keywords. And doing that, you can backlink from other websites to those keywords, and that's how you rank the first page. And the second thing we went over is your citations. So you need at least double, triple amount of citations that your competitor has. So say 140, 200, maybe even 300, so you can beat them out by a landslide, right? And the last thing we went over is your backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing you guys to show Google you are authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. And if that means taking these ones and making them your own, that's what you gotta do. Just go for the higher DR, higher UR ones. But you can either, I bet you're wondering what now. You can either go with this information provided you today and do it on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself time, you can give me a call at 816-654-5822. Once again, my name is Sergio. My number is 816-654-5822. I look forward to hearing from you, Anthony, and you have a good one.